In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in ChatGPT. If you've ever started a project quickly and later realized the name doesn't quite fit, a clear rename can make everything easier to find and manage. This walkthrough is simple, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, look to the left side of your ChatGPT screen. That's where the sidebar lives, and it's the central place where your projects are listed. Think of it as your project library. Take a moment to scan through that list and locate the project you want to rename. If you have many projects, reading the existing titles carefully can help you pick the right one before you make any changes. Once you've found it, move your mouse pointer over that project in the sidebar. You don't need to click yet, just hover. When you hover over the project, a small menu button with 3 dots will appear. This is often called the More Options icon, and it only shows up when your pointer is over the project name. If you don't see it immediately, slide your mouse slightly left and right over the project entry and it should appear. Next, click that 3-dot icon. A small menu will open with a few actions related to that project. From this menu, select Rename Project. This is the option that tells ChatGPT you're changing the title only. Nothing inside your project's content is altered. It's a safe way to tidy up without affecting your work. Now you can type the new name. Choose a title that's specific and memorable, so you can recognize it at a glance later. For example, include the topic, the audience, or the date, rather than something vague. Keep it short but descriptive, and avoid adding any sensitive information. The new name will replace the old one in the left sidebar, and you'll see it update immediately, giving you a quick visual confirmation that the change took effect. That's all there is to it. You went to the left sidebar, found the project you wanted, hovered to reveal the 3-dot icon, clicked it, chose Rename Project, and entered the new name. A small change like this can make your workspace feel much more organized, especially if you're juggling multiple efforts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, clearer project list in ChatGPT.